step from the open square of Baščaršija into the covered vaulted stone hall of the Gazi Husrev-Beg Bezistan, or the Sarajevo Bazar. This is not a simple market, but a 16th century trading hall built in 1555 as part of the grand charitable endowment of the Ottoman governor Gazi Husrev-Beg. Its original purpose was to house the most valuable goods, textiles, silks, and spices, with its thick stone walls keeping them cool in summer. Unlike the more famous open bazaar outside, the Bezistan was the commercial heart of the empire in Sarajevo. It was designed to mirror the great covered markets of Constantinople, declaring Sarajevo's importance. Though damaged during the siege of the 1990s, it has been meticulously restored. Today, this national monument remains a living piece of history, where the legacy of Ottoman commerce continues under its ancient, arched stone ceiling. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.